Okay, this video is going to be on how to find the maturity value of an installment loan. So in this problem right here, Roxy Sternberg needs to replace her dishwasher. The dishwasher she has selected costs $799 and requires a 25% down payment. The price of the item is $799.00. That's just pulling the information from the question. Put that in there. That's a free point. Think of it that way. The amount of the down payment. Okay, to do the down payment, we're going to take the price of the item times 25%. If you don't remember that, your notes tell you to find the down payment, price of the item times the percentage. So we're going to take the price of the item, which is $799. We're going to multiply it by the percentage, which is 25%. And we're going to find that that amount of money is $199.75. So that's what Roxy's going to have to pay at the store. And then they're going to load that washing machine up for her and send her home with it. Okay, she's going to make an agreement then to pay for the rest of it. So it costs $799. She's paying $199.75 right now. So she still owes them money. So if we subtract the price of the item and ignore the negative sign, and we're only doing it in this order because this number was already on our calculator. It just keeps us from typing in more information. So what we still owe is $599.25. So don't know what happened there. Try that again. So the item costs $799. She gives the store $199.25 today, and she agrees that she still owes them $599.25. So they're going to set up financing for her. They're going to set up financing for Roxy, and what they're going to tell Roxy is, you're going to pay us $115 every month for the next 6 months. So she's paying $115 for 6 months. So again, that's multiplication, but right here it says to find the maturity value, it is the monthly payment times the number of months to repay. All right, monthly payment plus the number of months to repay. So she's paying $115 for the next 6 months. We're going to hit enter, and that means that she will have paid them back $690 even. And you'll notice that's a little bit more than she borrowed. That's basically $90 more than she borrowed. And that's the price of taking out the loan. That's what's called the interest. So she bought the washing machine for $799. At the store, she paid them $199.75, which means she was $599.25 short. But they let her go ahead and take the washing machine or the dishwasher. What are we buying? A dishwasher? The dishwasher anyway. She agreed to pay them $115 over 6 months, which means at the end of that time, she actually had given them $690, even though she borrowed $599. She ended up, the maturity value of the loan was $690. Okay? There will be another one. That's 6-1A. Let's find another example. Anything after 6-1A. We'll do this one. I don't think that's the one I want. Sorry, friends. What I really want is, how about 6? We can do 6C1. I bet there's one on there. Let's pull up 6C1 and see if we can get an example. We just need an assignment that came after that one. We'll try this one. If the one example was enough for you, obviously, move on. That is the same question. Let's not do that one. Here we go. We'll do this one. Okay, so Let's clear our calculator. Jose Martinez is purchasing some new workout equipment. The equipment costs $2,952.39. The first question is, what is the price of the item? The price of the item is $2,952.39. So Jose picks out all this equipment. They ring it all up. That's what the equipment costs. He doesn't have $2,900 right now in his pocket. They're going to charge him 20%. So we're going to take $2,952.39 and we're going to multiply it by 20%. So he is going to give the store today, standing there on the spot, $590.48. So that's what he's going to give him in cash. Or maybe he puts it on a credit card, which is a bad plan. But maybe he's going to pay that anyway. That means he's got to finance the rest of it. So we're going to subtract $2,952.39. And because we put the problem in backwards, we're going to get a negative sign. He owes the company $2,361.91. So this is the cost of the item. This is what he was able to pay them. And this is what he's going to finance. He's going to say, I want to borrow from you $2,361.91. And they are going to say, okay, we will lend you $2,300. And the way you're going to pay us back, you're going to pay us $150 for the next 18 months. You're going to give us another $150 for the next 1.5 years. So if you bought this on January 1st of 2025, then you're actually going to own it on July 1st of 2026. So you're going to pay for it for 18 months, and you're going to pay $150 for 18 months, which means when you pay them back, you will have paid them back $2,700. And you notice that's a lot more than you borrowed. You borrowed $2,300, you're paying them back $2,700. The difference in that is called the interest. That's the privilege of taking out the loan. That's for taking the equipment home with you a year and a half before you owned it. So the maturity value of the loan, what you paid for the loan, was $2,700. Let's do another one of those. One more. Taylor James is purchasing new workout equipment. The workout equipment costs $1,428.48 and requires a 20% down payment. The price of the item. Okay, so here's your free point. This gets you one free point. Put that in there. Now, take that price of the item, which is $1,428.48, and multiply it by the percent. So Taylor is going to have to pay, before he leaves the store, $285.70. And they're going to let him pay that, and they're going to let him set up financing. So he's going to set up financing for the balance. So we have to subtract $1,528.48. So he's going to have to borrow. He is $1,142 short. So he's going to have to borrow $1,142.78. So they're going to let him do that. They're going to say, this is the price of the item. Give us this in cash today, and you can walk out with your equipment. But for the next 12 months, for the next year, you're going to pay us $125 every month without fail, on time. So you're going to take $125. You're going to do that for 12 months. You do that for 12 months, you will have paid back $1,500. So if you go out and you do this today, you go out and you buy this equipment on February 1st of 2025, you will own the equipment on February 1st of 2026, and you will have paid $1,500 on the loan. The maturity value of the loan will be $1,500. So basically about $350 extra. But that's another day. The maturity value is the cost per month times the number of months. Okay, my friends, that's the video. If you have any questions, ask me in class or